that the technology had gotten to the point where it would be dependable, and the cost benefit definitely was in favor of doing it. We had an opportunity to get some financing to make it possible, and I decided that it was absolutely the time to do it, and I don't regret that decision. We would be using upwards of $2,000 a month of electricity, and when the bill drops to $156, you notice. So to maximize their production, we decided to do all three of them at the same time. The SkyFire design crew were great. They got data from me. I just basically provided them with power bills from the last couple of years so that they could ascertain exactly what the maximum utilization was, how much I was drawing. But it was very transparent, and it was very smooth. It was very, very good. They were very obliging, cleaned up after themselves. Great crew. Like I say, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them to somebody else. By the reaction of the kids, when I told them that we had now gone live and everything was working, and they let out a great big cheer. And it was very gratifying and rewarding to know that the younger generations coming up appreciate the challenges that are ahead of them in terms of minimizing our carbon footprint.